Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from Japan. This is a Zenpop box. You can go over to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider to get yourself a discount on one of these. These have 7 different varieties of instant noodles inside, and usually when I get them, none of them are varieties that I've tried before, which is pretty cool after trying over 4,000, so let's crack it open and see what's in this month's box. Okay. Alright, so the first thing you're going to see when you open one of these is one of these note cards. And it's got a QR code and a URL, and that will give you all the information about everything that's in here. The names of the products, information about the products, how to cook the products. So don't lose this, okay? And now I'm gonna go and use this and tell you about everything that's in here. All right, to start things off, from Sanyo Shokunin, we have Maiten no Aji Ten Kaipin Kyoto Noku Tori Paitan. So yeah, I guess this Tenkapin is a restaurant chain that's popular in Kyoto Prefecture, and yeah. And here from Myojo, we have some Okinawa Soba. Yeah, I'm pretty sure with Okinawa Soba, usually it's a thicker noodle, and it's got a lot of seafood notes to it. Next, from Ace Cook, we have Aresuda Nakata Tenshinmen Shoyu. So shoyu is soy sauce ramen. It sounds pretty fancy. I don't know much about this, but I will be reviewing this shortly. And then here's one from Tokushima Saipo, a really old brand that's very popular nowadays. This is their Kinchan cup. It's a tantan men. So this will have kind of more of a thicker, more nutty kind of broth to it. I'm really curious about this. I've tried a lot of the Tokushima Saipo products, so hopefully this one will be good. And here's a fancy variety from Marushan. This is Guptsumori Nagoya Taiwan ramen. Yeah, Guptsumori means big or huge, and this is a really big bowl of noodles. At least it will be once it's prepared, so look for that one. Next up from Myojo, we have Ippochan Yaten no Yakisoba Niniku Shoyu Aji. So what I think this is going to be is a very garlic laden with mayo. Maybe it's mayo garlic. I don't know, but I'll find out, and this will be interesting. Looking forward to trying this. Usually the Myojo Ippochan stuff is pretty top notch. And here's one that I have had. This is from Daikoku. This is a Kitsune Udon, and I remember not being a huge fan of this, but generally everything that I get from these guys, the Zenpop boxes, are things that I really like. So I'm 99.9% sure I've had this one and didn't like it, but you never know. So I'll have to look into that. All right, so in the Zenpop box for July 2022, you get yakisoba, Guptsumori, Kitsune Udon, Okinawa Soba, shoyu, tantan men, a big fancy one, and your info card. All right, thanks to the nice folks over at zenpop.jp for continuing to send me these. These are a lot of fun to unbox, and I really enjoyed trying all these neat Japanese varieties that I can't get here in the US. If you want to get one of these, head on over to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount, and I think you'd be pretty stoked if you did it. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.